started by unboxing this week from Luvme Hair, and right out of the box you guys can already see this gorgeous hair that we're going to be working with. But that's going to be the last thing I'm going to show you guys. We have this wig bag as well as this wig case. Now inside this case we have a pair of false lashes which are gorgeous, as well as false nails at the same time to glam up for this holiday season. Now moving forward, we also have some ear hoops which are amazing, and as well as this Christmas bag that you guys can use, this Merry Christmas stickers. Now as always, you're going to get the user guide that always comes with the wig. Now guys, this is the wig that we are going to be working with, and this wig, like I said earlier on, is from Luvme Hair. This is their Flowy Bohemian Curly Glueless 5x5 closure lace wig, and this is what the lace looks like against my skin. And what I want to do is just go ahead to customize it, guys. This is very flowy and this is in 22 inches. I'm going to put this on my dummy head and I'm going to be customizing the closure just a little bit, guys. This wig comes pre-plucked, as you guys can see, but I'm just going to do some final basic 5-minute touches to the closure just so it suits my own hairline, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be tweezing just a little bit, and I'm showing you guys the exact process as I'm going along. And this is what the construction of the wig looks like. It does come with wig combs as well as an elastic band and an adjustable band as well. I'm going to go ahead to just fix this on my hair and adjust this to a more suitable style so that way it sits right on my hair before I proceed to gluing it down and then styling and cutting it. Yeah, so this is what we are looking like. I'm going to go ahead to just cut off the excess lace. So I went ahead to just fix my hair, install my hair, and also like do a little bit of glam. So what I want to do right now is to just I want to like melt down this closure because I'm having a bit of a hump situation. I want to just press down the side so that it's sleek and beautiful. So this is what we are looking like right now. I feel like I might just go ahead to wet this hair, but I want to show you guys what the natural state of this hair looks like when it is dry. Again, this hair is probably the most weightless hair from Luvme Hair that I've tried before, but at the same time it's like the fullest hair from Luvme Hair that I've tried before. So I don't know how they made it work, but it feels like air. Does that make sense? So I'm going to take off this band that I used. Just dig it up. Let's see what we have going on. I have not used any product, any powder or whatsoever, and this is what it's looking like. I'm trying to get this to the center. I'm going to just use my powder. I'm just going to just use a little bit of this.
So this right here, this is what it is looking like. This is what it is giving. It is giving volume, but still weightless. It's giving va-va-voom. It is giving sexy. It is giving holiday. And to be honest with you, I'm a little bit tempted not to wet this down with any like product, because I feel like this is like amazing on its own without using any other product. I'm gonna turn to the back and then show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like from behind. And also this is the length of the hair. This is where it reaches. Oh god, I don't know, like I want to leave it like this, but I also want to kind of see what it would look like if I use a little bit of water on it. I might as well use this hoops. I might as well. Oof. Look at the hoops. What do you guys think? I want to go ahead to wet this hair just to see what it's going to look like. So this side is, well, I have saturated it with water. Let me just comb through it. Yeah, I can definitely. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this, and this is amazing for curls, basically just a little bit of product because I don't want it to weigh it down. Just rub that through. And then I'm going to use a little bit of serum as well, my serum as well. And we're going to use like literally 1-2 pumps, like that's how small we're going to be using. And you know, help to the hair. I'm just going to rub this in as well. Just for comparison purposes, this is what it looks like when it is damp a little bit. And I feel like this is giving sexy, romantic, effortless, I'm ready for the beach vibe. And this is giving like, I am just dramatic, I am, notice me, I am here, like this is me vibe, if that makes sense. So like they're like two opposites. This is giving like effortless. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing over here just so you guys can see one more time. So you can definitely rock this hair in its natural state like this if this is what you're going for, or like this if you want a more sexy, romantic feel. Okay. So while I'm wetting my hair, oh my goodness. Okay, I kind of like it. It's giving me like Kim Kardashian, sexy, romantic, you know, feel. Okay, so like I said, I don't want it to be dripping wet. It's not dripping wet, like it's not dripping wet at all, but it is saturated with water. Same thing like I did, I'm gonna use this. It's perfect for just like 1 pump. And lastly, I'm gonna take 2 pumps of this. 1, 2, like very light, and use this on the hair. This will help with adding shine, like I said, making it sleek and smooth. And guys, literally we are done. This doesn't take time. Oof, yes. So once again, I'm gonna just brush through this hair. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like now that it is a bit damp. I feel like it's drying up pretty fast. But with this, I mean, you can definitely rock it either ways, wherever you want it, like more sleek or you want it voluminous to give off like that bohemian, you know, sexy feel. Again, this hair is from Luvme Hair, and you guys already know how I feel about Luvme Hair, so you know that it is bomb. The lace, the hair, the texture, the quality. This one is their Flowy Bohemian Curls Wig, and it is a 5x5 closure, and this is in the length 22 inches. It does come pre-plucked as well, so it is glueless as always. So again, and yeah, so all the details as always would be in the description box. Be sure to check them out as well, and yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on this hair. Which one you guys prefer? Would you guys prefer it with in its natural state when it has volume, or do you prefer it like this when it's a bit sleek and kind of sexy at the same time? Again, thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for working with me once again, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. If you guys are new here, feel free to check out my other reviews, my other videos at the same time. Don't go anywhere, my other installs also. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. But till then, let me just feel myself a little bit because I'm feeling myself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye.